Dental decay is infectious. It is transmissible. Okay. It could be transmitted from mother to the child, amongst spouses, and also amongst siblings. Uske baad, it is always post-pregnancy weight loss is like extremely hard. And especially after my third child, it was like super hard for me to lose weight.
जो बताया था कि you were at 75 kg, now you are at 58 kg.
So yoga plus this intermittent fasting and with a little bit of self-discipline, nighttime brushing is more important. Subah, you're okay brushing after breakfast if you brush your teeth at night.
Hello everyone. आज हमारे साथ हैं एक स्पेशल गेस्ट डॉक्टर राम्या जो जुड़ी है हमारे साथ कैलिफोर्निया यूएसए से और स्पेशल वीक है ये वुमेन्स डे वीक हम सेलिब्रेट कर रहे हैं तो काफी सारी इंटरेस्टिंग बातें करेंगे डॉक्टर राम्या की जर्नी के बारे में। तो शुरू करते हैं आज का ये वीडियो। तो प्लीज इंट्रोड्यूस कराइए हमारे व्यूअर्स को आप अपने बारे में।
हेलो हाय, मेरा नाम डॉक्टर रम्या निरंजन है। मैं अपने बारे में अगर बताऊं तो आई एम अ Tamilian, born in Kerala, raised in small town of Bhilai in the state of Chhattisgarh, and currently residing in the state of California in United States with my husband, who's a software professional, and together we are raising 3 kids. I am a pediatric dentist by profession and love to work with kids. I would love to talk about my competition as well. I am the finalist for Mrs. India Queen of Substance 2020. And I feel very privileged and honored to be in this platform and to be able to connect with all of you.
So मेरा कुछ 5-6 महीने से बहुत ज्यादा सामना हो रहा है डेंटिस्ट के साथ और मेरे पास अभी अगर किसी ने शायद नोट किया हो तो आई हैव ब्रेसेस। सो दीज आर सेरेमिक ब्रेसेस, तो बहुत ज्यादा दिखते नहीं है, विजिबल नहीं है, लेकिन मुझे ये पता लगा कि दे आर डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ डेंटिस्ट। तो नॉर्मल डेंटिस्ट जो होते हैं वो आपके ब्रेसेस पे काम नहीं कर सकते हैं, दे आर स्पेसिफिक ऑर्थो डेंटिस्ट। एंड देन डॉक्टर राम्या इज पीडियाट्रिक डेंटिस्ट, इफ आई एम प्रोनाउंसिंग इट करेक्टली दिस टाइम आफ्टर अ लॉट ऑफ प्रैक्टिस। सो ये बहुत ज्यादा इंटरेस्टिंग चीज थी क्योंकि मुझे स्पेशली यहाँ इंडिया में मुझे इतना आइडिया नहीं था कि आपके पास पीडियाट्रिक डेंटिस्ट अलग से होते हैं। फॉर नॉर्मल प्रॉब्लम्स बच्चों के डॉक्टर हमें पता है कि होते हैं, लेकिन इस चीज के लिए इस चीज की जरूरत क्या है कि जो टीथ्स आपके कुछ टाइम बाद निकलने वाले हैं ऑटोमेटिकली, तो उसमें क्या जरूरत होगी डेंटिस्ट की, ये आप हमें बताएंगी।
ये आपने बहुत अच्छा क्वेश्चन पूछा, पीडियाट्रिक डेंटिस्ट क्यों। ये सिर्फ एक्चुअली इंडिया की बात नहीं है, ये यहाँ पे भी यूएस में भी यहाँ पे काफी लोगों को पता नहीं है कि क्या बेसिकली पीडियाट्रिक डेंटिस्ट कर सकते हैं। सो जस्ट टू काइंड ऑफ गिव यू एन ओवरव्यू, राइट, पीडियाट्रिक डेंटिस्ट्री जो होती है वो 2 to 3 years ऑफ एक्स्ट्रा ट्रेनिंग होती है। आपका जो रेगुलर बीडीएस होता है इंडिया में, उसी की तरह यूएस में यहाँ पे डीडीएस, एंड देन इसके ऊपर 3 साल की एक्स्ट्रा ट्रेनिंग, और इंडिया में भी 2 साल की एक्स्ट्रा ट्रेनिंग होती है। तो बेसिकली जो हम लोग जिसमें ट्रेन किए जाते हैं, बिहेवियर मैनेजमेंट। जैसे अगर आप 3 साल के बच्चों में अगर काम करना चाहते हो, 4 साल के बच्चे पे काम करना चाहते हो, इट्स वेरी डिफरेंट फ्रॉम एडल्ट्स पे काम करना। हम उनसे बात कर सकते हैं, एडल्ट्स को उनको समझ आता है, लेकिन बच्चों को क्या कर सकते हैं, डिस्ट्रैक्शन, स्टोरी सुना सकते हैं या फिर गाना गा सकते हैं, so there's extensive training on that behavior management. And then something else is which we don't know, and is कि बहुत सारे बच्चे हैं जो बीमार है, lot of kids like who are cancer patients, lot of kids who are syndromic. So oral health जो है, it's extremely important ऐसे बच्चों के लिए, because उनका जरा सा infection could just get their counts go haywire, and things could become life threatening for them. So जो pediatric dentists होते हैं, they are extensively trained to manage these kind of medically compromised kids. So ये होती है pediatric dentistry की।
It's great that हम लोग इस बारे में बात कर रहे हैं। और what is the age bracket for this? So ये किस age bracket को आप लोग cater करते हो?
So starting from 12 months of age, हम जो recommend करते हैं कि आप dental home या pediatric dentist को देखो as soon as your first tooth erupts, which could be anywhere between 8 to 12 months. By the age of 1 year, you should have a pediatric dentist. And especially because, at this time, you are able to prevent cavities versus treating them. It's always prevention is the key, right? Most of the time हम जब बात करते हैं यहाँ पे, जब पेरेंट्स आते हैं हमारे पास, वो जनरली आते हैं जब दर्द शुरू हो जाता है. So I do want to let the viewers know, dard is like the last stage, right? We want to catch things way before dard. So इसीलिए चाहते हैं कि as soon as the teeth erupts, अगर आप pediatric dentist या dentist से बात करेंगे तो they will actually kind of coach you and guide you on how to prevent cavities.
Okay, I think इसका रीजन ये भी है क्योंकि पेरेंट्स खुद भी जब तक दर्द नहीं होता तब तक वो डेंटिस्ट के पास नहीं जाते हैं, स्पेशली इंडिया में। और क्योंकि ज्यादातर लोगों के पास डेंटल इंश्योरेंस भी नहीं होता है, तो जब तक वो अपनी आखिरी दांत निकलवाने वाली या रूट कैनल वाली स्टेज तक नहीं पहुंचते हैं तब तक वो डेंटिस्ट के पास नहीं जाते हैं। तो ये एक कॉमन आई थिंक फिनोमेना है। एक बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन यहाँ पे, क्योंकि हम बच्चों की बात कर रहे हैं, सो वेरी 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 सीरियस क्वेश्चन। सो क्या रिकमेंड करते हो आप? क्या क्लोजअप कोलगेट से अच्छा है या पतंजलि दंत कांति आजकल जो हमारे बाबा रामदेव जी का आया हुआ है वो इन सबसे अच्छा है? व्हाट इज योर व्यूज ऑन दैट?
So I definitely think that Colgate Close Up, these things are all good. The only thing I would recommend is जैसे आप ज्यादा एडवर्टाइजमेंट्स देखते हैं, राइट, व्हाइटनर्स एंड एब्रेसिव्स एंड स्टफ लाइक दैट। जो व्हाइटनर्स होते हैं वो एक्चुअली एब्रेसिव्स होते हैं, मतलब वो दांतों के एनामल को थोड़ा सा हार्म पहुंचाते हैं। तो वो थोड़ा ध्यान रखिएगा जब टूथपेस्ट लेते हैं एंड थिंग्स लाइक दैट। a lot of these things like whiteness, regular Colgate will be good.
आपके जेन्युइनली ऐसा रिकमेंड करते हो कि आपकी नॉर्मल आप टूथपेस्ट यूज करें या फिर आपको स्पेसिफिक टूथपेस्ट कंसल्टिंग में आप रिकमेंड करते हो अगर कोई आपके पास आता है तो?
काफी जो जैसे बहुत सारे जैसे टीनेज पेशेंट्स होते हैं, काफी सोडा और ये कुकीज एंड क्रैकर्स एंड ऑल दीज रिफाइंड कार्बोहाइड्रेट्स, राइट, विद ऑल द डाइट प्लान्स जो हमको पता है कि वी शुड नॉट बी गोइंग टुवर्ड्स दोस थिंग्स, दोज आर बैड फॉर टीथ आल्सो। सो जैसे वो लोग जब आते हैं और उनके मुंह में आई सी लॉट ऑफ कैविटीज, देन आई रेकमेंड दिस हाई कॉन्सेंट्रेशन फ्लोरिडेटेड टूथपेस्ट, but those are not available over the counter. वो prescription toothpaste. So because if you swallow too much, fluoride ज़्यादा swallow करने से भी problem हो जाता है।
One thing I have heard, जो मुझे इससे याद आया कि लोग कहते हैं कि इंडिया में तो ओवर द काउंटर इजीली मिल जाते हैं फ्लोराइड वाले टूथपेस्ट भी, सो लोग कहते हैं इसको swallow कर लोगे तो इसमें पॉइजन होता है। Is that true?
Very very true, very very true. So there is a certain amount that you are not supposed to there's a certain amount of fluoride which body can resist. उससे ज्यादा अगर आप लोगे तो you could get vomiting and other kind of issues. So fluoride, yes, excess of everything is bad, so one of them is fluoride as well. So आपने ये बात पूछी तो something that I would definitely recommend for our viewers and something for them to know कि up to the age of 3 years, 3 years, okay, the toothpaste that you're going to use for the child is going to be rice grain size. Rice grain size जितना छोटा होता है, देखते हैं आप ये जैसे टूथब्रश का जो ब्रिसल होता है ना, बस इतना, just one of those will be rice grain size, because बच्चा cannot spit at this time. So we want to minimize कि वो कितना fluoride swallow कर रहा है. So only rice grain size we recommend. Or from ages, after that you can possibly go for pea size, matar jitna. So because they're able to spit by then, so you're okay with that.
Okay, cool. And one more thing, can kids use the electric toothbrush as well? Chote bachche
after the age of 3. After the age of 3 we recommend using electric toothbrush. Yeah, that's totally fine.
तो ऐसा नहीं है कि वो age of 10 के बाद कोई इलेक्ट्रिक टूथब्रश यूज करेगा, ऐसा नहीं होता है। After 3,
after the age of 3, and that's fine.
Okay. And what is the best way or a good way to brush your teeth? Is there any formula कि आप 10 बार right, 10 times left, 15 times ऊपर नीचे, something like that in your mind? हम calculate कर लें।
Yeah, I have a model here. तो मैं आपको दिखा दूंगी कि कैसे exactly like brush करना भी है बच्चों के लिए, and I have a toothbrush. So always go for soft toothbrush, never for medium or hard. Always soft toothbrush. और जब आप brush करते हैं बच्चे के लिए, so together 2 minutes. टाइमर लगा सकते हैं या गाना लगा सकते हैं, 2 minutes is how much you need to brush. तो जब brush करते हैं, you always go along the gum line इस तरीके से and just go brush. So I would say 20 times.
Okay.
जब आप brush करते हैं तो just massage the gum line as well.
Will that be true for the adults as well? Adults को कितने देर तक brush करना चाहिए?
2 minutes. 2 minutes. It's true for adults as well. Yeah.
Okay.
And another thing Definitely would like to say as well with regards to this. Nighttime brushing is extremely, extremely important. I know most people don't know this, so I would like to educate. You know, nighttime brushing is more important. Subah, you're okay brushing after breakfast if you brush your teeth at night.
कई बार मेरे डेंटिस्ट फ्रेंड्स हैं वो ये बोलते हैं कि इंडिया वाले जो हैं वो इतना ध्यान नहीं देते हैं और विजिट्स नहीं करते हैं। तो उसमें एक बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट है कि इंडियन इंश्योरेंस कंपनीज भी हैं, हेल्थ इंश्योरेंस कंपनीज हैं, वो डेंटल को काफी पीछे रखते हैं। In most of the cases, they treat dental treatment as a beautification kind of. Obviously, braces are not covered. I know that, but even scaling, because scaling can, if your teeth are not clean, बहुत सारी problems आपको हो सकती हैं, लेकिन वो भी cover नहीं होता है इसके अंदर। तो इसलिए लोग बिल्कुल लास्ट टाइम जैसे मैंने बताया, जब तक आदमी की दर्द से आवाज नहीं, चीखें नहीं निकल जाती, तब तक हम लोग विजिट नहीं करते हैं। तो ये एक बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट है।
Yeah, that's very true. And I think that's something that we should, through this interview, agar, if it is reaching out to people as well. I think kahin pe bhi aap dekho, dental caries, right? Mouth is part of the whole body. It's part of the whole body. तो अगर आप जैसे आप कुछ भी करो, जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल जैसे मेटर्नल हेल्थ, राइट? जैसे अगर प्रेग्नेंट है कोई, अगर उनके मुंह में बहुत लाइक कैल्कुलस है और क्लीनिंग नहीं होती है, उससे बच्चों पे असर पड़ता है, प्री टर्म लेबर हो जाता है, प्रीमेच्योर डिलीवरी हो जाती है. सो देयर आर लॉट्स ऑफ थिंग्स दैट्स एसोसिएटेड विद टार्टर एंड कैल्कुलस, और माउथ को क्लीन करना इज एक्सट्रीमली एक्सट्रीमली इंपॉर्टेंट. So I think it's more of prevention, and I think if there is a way we could reach out, I think this is something that's absolutely necessary. This is part of our overall general health.
एब्सोल्युटली। और दूसरा पॉइंट जो मुझे आपकी बात से ध्यान आया, दैट इज लाइक मॉर्निंग में ब्रश करना वर्सेस आफ्टर ब्रेकफास्ट। बिकॉज मैं कुछ डॉक्यूमेंट्रीज देख रहा था, जापानीज डॉक्यूमेंट्रीज, तो वहां पे सुबह उठ के ब्रश नहीं करते हैं। दे दे ब्रश देयर टीथ इन द नाइट, दे टेक बाथ इन द नाइट, एंड इन द मॉर्निंग दे ब्रश देयर टीथ आफ्टर ब्रेकफास्ट और व्हेनेवर दे आर हैविंग देयर मील। तो वो चीज वहां पे ऑलरेडी, मतलब दैट्स पार्ट ऑफ देयर कल्चर। बट हमारे यहाँ क्या होता है कि इट्स लाइक बिल्कुल आप बिना ब्रश करे तो आप शायद बात भी नहीं कर सकते हो, in the middle class families in the metro cities at least. तो ये चीज यहाँ बहुत ज्यादा पॉपुलर है। और खाना खाने के बाद हम लोग अगर ब्रेकफास्ट करते हैं या लंच करते हैं तो उसके बाद तो ब्रश करने की कोई बात ही नहीं करता है।
I will give you a reason for it. अगर आप रात को ब्रश करते हैं खाने के बाद, राइट, और फ्लॉस करते हैं, तो there is no food you are taking. Scientifically अगर आप देखेंगे, through the morning you're not eating anything else, so your mouth is clean. अब जो डेंटल केरीज होती हैं वो कैसे होती है? बैक्टीरिया की वजह से होती है. बैक्टीरिया किस चीज पे एक्ट करता है? फूड पे एक्ट करता है. तो आपने अगर वो फूड के सोर्सेस निकाल दिए हैं रात को, तो बैक्टीरिया मुंह में नहीं है आपके. तो सुबह साइंटिफिकली it is okay for you to eat your breakfast and then brush because your mouth is clean. But I'm not saying it's the same if you're not brushing at night and not flossing, because then you have bacteria in your mouth. So scientifically it is okay for you to brush after breakfast, because us time that's when you actually introduce mouth to meal after the previous evening's dinner.
Great. The other question is, अगर कोई रात को ब्रश नहीं करता है, वो आप आलस आ रहा है हमें और हम सोचते हैं कोई बात नहीं, लिस्ट्रीन करके सो जाते हैं, how is that equivalent to brushing?
Do you know what? Absolutely not. So I definitely want to tell you, Listerine आपके मुंह को सिर्फ थोड़ा सा जलाता है, and gives you a good feel कि शायद मुंह से smell अच्छी आ रही है, but it actually doesn't do anything. It is not equivalent to mechanical brushing. It's more also as part of awareness, right? Agar thoda sa, when people are like educated and they are like told, definitely they make, and it's not something ki ek change can be made overnight, but something, if we can start with 3 days of brushing at night, it's good enough. We reached our goal somewhere. We're starting off with something, and then it'll become a habit, a discipline.
So talking about discipline and habit, I will talk about your fitness journey and your weight loss journey. So वो आपने कैसे स्टार्ट किया? और आपने मुझे बताया था कि you were at 75 kg, now you are at 58 kg. So वो regime क्या है और क्या आप follow करते हो? Gym follow करते हो या what kind of workout you do?
So I became 75 kgs post pregnancy, and uske baad, it is always post pregnancy weight loss is like extremely hard, and especially after my third child, it was like super hard for me to lose weight. But then I started off when I was in residency, it was a very stressful time for me with being a homemaker at home, as well as being a professional outside, and then, continuous taking care of kids, helping them with homework, and doing my own studies. So it was like very, very challenging for me. So I needed something else that I had to do to kind of keep my sanity and to keep myself going into this. And that's when I got introduced to hot yoga. And that kind of totally changed my life, I should say. And I kind of was totally addicted to it. So ये hot yoga में एक regime ऐसा होता है ना, it's like 90 minutes, 26 postures, 2 breathing exercises, and 104 degree temperature with 40% humidity. तो अगर आप इसके पहले खाना खा लोगे ना तो आपकी हालत खराब हो जाएगी वहां 90 मिनट्स इतनी गर्मी में. So I had to like take a good break between eating my meals, like at least agar class agar 5 baje hai to last meal I can eat is like 12 o'clock. So that got me into this intermittent fasting kind of thing. So yoga plus this intermittent fasting and with a little bit of self-discipline, I did lose weight. It's not something that I lost over months. It's something I should say I lost over years. And thanks to you, Rajaji, because of you, I lost some more weight with your fitness regimen.
You are already very, very motivated और आप इतनी सारी चीजें already कर रहे हो. So it's all about person himself. अगर आप खुद very disciplined हो तो it's just like कि आपको कोई एक guidance मिलती है, then you can do the stuff. You can reach to your goal.
Knowledge. The first time I got your regimen, right, I was looking, where is roti here? Where is rice? Not a single roti rice in any of this. Then I was like, maybe it's okay, cheat day.
No, because you are participating in a competition. A competition के लिए हमें कुछ sacrifice तो करना ही पड़ते हैं, और you have to look your best on the stage. तो उसके लिए, so and I always compare this with the other competition like the bodybuilding, like the physique competition, if you are aware of, that's very popular in the US. So in सब में ये सारी चीजें जो होता है, आपको बहुत ज्यादा strict और बहुत disciplined उन 3 महीनों में तो रहना ही पड़ता है. और this is the same अपने, चाहे वो मिस इंडिया हो, मिसेस इंडिया, उन सब में वो सेम, आपको स्टेज में उस दिन अपना बेस्ट दिखना है. एंड यू नो हाउ टू डू दिस, आप तो इतने साल से कर रहे हो. बट हियर मैं आई वांट टू एक्सपैंड ऑन दिस हॉट योगा, because this name sounds very interesting. This is hot and yoga, but what exactly, what in 90 minutes, what is all covered?
So this is Bikram yoga basically. Definitely this yoga here, it has a lot of followers for sure. A lot of people who have been personally trained by Mr. Bikram Chaudhary, and like they swear by it. Most of them, the teachers who actually teach us, are the ones who have been injured, have been in accidents, and have actually recovered. So they swear by it. And totally, like, for me personally, right, I do think that it has made a lot of difference for me. I mean, I feel good. I definitely feel good after this yoga. 90 minutes may they do everything like hand to feet pose and stretching pose, har cheez, everything. Hatha yoga ki tarah har cheez, everything you have it. Your core strength build karta hai this yoga. Everything you have, like 26 postures, different kinds. And definitely you start with a breathing exercise, you end with breathing exercise. And their thing is, you cannot, they don't generally let you leave the room as well. So once you're in. Even if you're not able to do the exercise, you're supposed to be in the room. And they have that strict discipline that they actually want you to maintain. You cannot be late for the classes, and so it's pretty much very strict on its regimen. Pretty good.
That's great. मतलब आपने जो बात बताई वो बहुत interesting भी है, और obviously if that helped you, that is definitely work. This must be true. और मैंने जो I was watching that documentary, तो when it started, तो उसमें ये बताया था कि Bikram, he was in bodybuilding initially. He went to Bengal and he was into bodybuilding, और शायद उनकी legs जो थी वो completely खराब हो गई थी, ऐसी इंजरी हुई थी that was not recoverable. And then he himself started yoga. उन्होंने अपने कुछ आसन और कुछ चीजें क्रिएट करी और उन्होंने खुद को हील कर लिया था, जो कि एक ऑलमोस्ट इम्पॉसिबल था. और उस टाइम की मेडिकल साइंस के हिसाब से, एंड लोगों का बहुत ज्यादा इस चीज में इंटरेस्ट जागा कि ये कैसे हो सकता है. बट इफ दैट वर्क्स फॉर यू एंड यू आर द फर्स्ट पर्सन, और मुझे इस इंटरव्यू से पहले पता भी नहीं था कि दैट इज दिस thing, you are the first person I am meeting, and you have seen the results, and this is actually true because I have seen all those asanas. They are very difficult. That's a mixture of very uh, complex stretching, and the kind of things they do is very, very difficult.
You have this bow pose, you have
Yes, yes.
stand, you have like,
जो
dancing.
नॉर्मल योगा से काफी डिफिकल्ट हो जाता है, तो या.
And it
एंड
is, and also I think temperature adds to the challenges. Agar aap 104 temperature mein kare. So the whole idea of how it was started here in US was more like Indian temperatures ko, they were trying to just reciprocate Indian temperatures and doing yoga in that. So, literally you sweat. And you have a sense of accomplishment, I should say. Once you're done with this, 90 minutes is like a lot in the
and
heat.
that too you are not eating, you have not taken anything before the yoga, that session. And people usually in fitness, in bodybuilding, in CrossFit, we take pre-workout supplements like pre-workouts or very strong black coffee and stuff. So you use these kind of things, they recommend this, or
No, actually, very light meal if you're able to. For me personally, light meal does not work because with all those stretching poses, the food, I feel that it just comes out, and I just focus more on the food rather than actually doing the poses. But something light is absolutely recommended. After a couple of poses, I think 15 minutes of warm up, you are okay with drinking water. But for the first 15-20 minutes, they don't recommend you drinking water either. And then after that, they just ask you to keep yourself hydrated throughout. So something very light, no supplements or none of that, no caffeine. They don't recommend any caffeine, just completely very, very light food, if at all you're taking any.
and how many times in a week you
So I go for 5 days a week. Previously, I used to do 3 days, but because of this pageantry, I'm just kind of like going a little bit more aggressively, 5 days a week right now.
Okay. And how do you fit these 90 minutes in your day with all your work, your kids, family? How do you fit that?
Very good question. So what I do is I come back. I leave at around 7 o'clock in the morning for work, and my work day gets over like around 4:30. So I go like an hour. As I mentioned, I work in underprivileged areas, healthcare provider shortage areas. So it's a little far away from where I live. So by the time I come back, it's like an hour later. So by 5:30, then I have a class. I directly go to yoga from work. I do yoga from 5:30 p.m. to 7, and then I come back home, and then I give dinner to kids and get going with my rest of the things. That gives me a lot of energy.
Yeah. No, I think that is very important. People think that with a busy schedule we cannot take care of our health, and we cannot follow a healthy schedule or a fitness schedule. And most of the people complains about that. Even if they are working like 6-7 hours a day, they still complain about that. It's just about your mindset. और एक बार आप शुरू हो जाओगे तो आपको मजा आने लग जाएगा उसमें. Then you will, आपको लगेगा कि कुछ रह गया है हमारे से.
Definitely motivation is a big part of, और आप like instant gratification, right? अगर आप result भी देखते हो कि आपका weight कम हो रहा है, so that is like a motivation, right? कि ये तो करना ही है, नहीं
बिल्कुल
तो
बिल्कुल.
so
बट ये एक प्रॉब्लम होती है कि अगर आपका वेट बहुत ज्यादा है और आप कोई रिजीम फॉलो कर रहे हो और उसकी रिजल्ट नहीं आ रहे हैं, और रिजल्ट आने में टाइम लगता है, और कुछ लोगों को ज्यादा टाइम लगता है, तो वो लोग फिर डीमोटिवेटेड हो जाते हैं 3 महीने में, 4 महीने में. तो उनको लगता है कुछ हो नहीं रहा, या फिर इनिशियल 2-3 महीने में आपको 1 kg कम हो गया, बट देन आफ्टर 6 मंथ 7 मंथ्स कुछ नहीं हो रहा है, बॉडी यूज टू हो चुकी है और कुछ हो नहीं रहा है जो आप चाह रहे हो. तो ये बहुत बहुत कॉमन है, और लोग उसके बाद अपनी वो मोटिवेशन खत्म हो जाती है, और वही विशियस सर्किल हो जाता है कि आपने कुछ एक आध केजी वेट कम किया, फिर आपने नहीं किया, फिर वापस से वेट वापस आ गया, फिर आपको कोई कुछ कह देता है कि आपका तो वेट बढ़ रहा है, फिर आप शुरू करते हो, तो आप उसी के अंदर घूम के रह जाते हो. एंड आई थिंक एज यू मेंशन ना कि इट्स नॉट अ जर्नी ऑफ मंथ्स, इट्स अ जर्नी ऑफ ईयर्स. जो आप आज करोगे आने वाले 5-6-7 सालों में, वो रिजल्ट्स आपको फिर दिखाई देंगे आफ्टर योर 50, आफ्टर योर 60. तो जो इंडिया में कहते हैं कि जो आप बचपन में खाते हो, वो बाद में वो बाद में काम आता है. बचपन में अच्छी चीजें खाओ तो बाद में वो बुढ़ापे में काम आएंगी. तो वो चीज जो होती है वो काफी काफी इंपॉर्टेंट है. तो शॉर्ट टर्म गोल्स आर गुड मेरे ख्याल से, लेकिन हमेशा आप ये सोचो कि आप अपने आप को इमेजिन कहाँ करते हो आफ्टर एज ऑफ 30, 40, 50, 60। तो आप जो अभी करोगे इन सालों में, आप वही चीजें आपको कुछ सालों बाद उनको भुगतना पड़ेगा, या फिर आप उसको एंजॉय करोगे, तो वो आपके हाथ में होता है।
Absolutely. And I don't know, I like जितने भी टीचर्स को मैं देखती हूँ जो like 50 प्लस है, जो योगा में है, they look so good. They look so good. I cannot, at the end of the day, जैसे कहते हैं ना, facial is for external skin. I think yoga is for internal body and mind. And so I totally recommend yoga because I think you stay young from inside, and that reflects outside.
Absolutely, absolutely. Okay, so अब हम we can talk about teeth decay. So ऐसा क्यों होता है? और एक और मेरा पॉइंट ये है कि कुछ लोगों को क्या होता है कि इतना ओरल हाइजीन पे ध्यान नहीं देते, लेकिन उनको प्रॉब्लम कम होती है एज कम्पेयर टू कुछ लोग जो कि ध्यान देते हैं, लेकिन उसके बावजूद भी उन लोगों को प्रॉब्लम्स हो जाती हैं।
ये ना आपने बहुत अच्छा क्वेश्चन पूछा, और मैं आपको ऐसा कुछ बताती हूँ जो बहुत लोगों को नहीं पता है. Dental decay is infectious. It is transmissible. Okay, it could be transmitted from mother to the child, amongst spouses, and also amongst siblings. Food share karo, किसी भी तरीके से saliva अगर share होता है, you transmit bacteria. So dental decay is
ओह,
infectious. So this is something that I think that it's great for people to know. So it's totally, जैसे अपने culture में है, food sharing is a very common thing. Culturally it is like a very very बहुत भाई प्यार और भाईचारा and those things are there, but they're like, अगर आप दांतों की बात करते हैं तो फिर it is a big no. You're not supposed to do that. दूसरी बात, ये डाइट, राइट, जैसे हम फिटनेस की बात करते हैं, जैसे कहते हैं कि शुगर इज नॉट गुड फॉर यू, कार्बोहाइड्रेट्स आर नॉट ग्रेट फॉर यू, राइट, इट्स एग्जैक्टली द सेम फॉर द टीथ एज वेल. सिर्फ शुगर खाली केरीज नहीं कॉज करता या डीके नहीं कॉज करता, इट्स ऑल्सो रिफाइंड कार्बोहाइड्रेट्स, जैसे आप व्हाइट ब्रेड, cookies, crackers, chips, anything that sticks onto the teeth and is hard for it to come out, that's a challenge for the teeth. तो आप क्या कर रहे हैं कि you're giving bacteria something to work upon. Bacteria क्या करता है, acids produce करता है, and they wear down the enamel, which is the outermost layer of the tooth, and causes a big hole in the tooth. So उसको avoid करने के लिए brushing, flossing, as I had mentioned, for 2 minutes for sure with fluoridated toothpaste, and then diet को control करना, as I said, snacking is okay, लेकिन बच्चों को do it more with meals, maybe 3 times a day, nothing more than that. उसके बाद definitely I would recommend seeing a pediatric dentist for sure every 6 months. I know that is something that is not a part of insurance, but I think that's something, it'll be great. Every parent want their child to be okay.
definitely.
And I think if it is something, if there's a change that the current generation parents can make, it'll be beneficial for children. We don't have to deal with tooth decay, we don't have to deal with pain, we don't have to deal with early loss of tooth and things like that. दूसरी बात, I generally recommend, जो मैं बताती हूँ कि by the age of 12 months or an year, generally I recommend कि आप bottle, अगर बेबी को bottle दे रहे तो wean away from that. Because क्या होता है कि again it's the same thing, रात को on demand bottle देते हैं 1 साल के बाद, and then the milk keeps pooling around the teeth, and the next कि सारे सामने के दांत खराब हो गए. So so that's something that can prevent it.
Are there any good food for teeth as well?
Yes. Cheese is great for teeth. Apples are great for teeth. Fresh fruits, vegetables are great for teeth.
Okay. No, this is all good information, and I think वही है कि लोगों को कई बार पता भी होता है लेकिन उसको फॉलो नहीं करते हैं, या फिर कोई लोग इस बारे में जानने की कोशिश नहीं करते हैं, और कई सारी चीजें हम जानने की कोशिश करते हैं कि कीटो डाइट क्या है या पतले कैसे हो जाए, लेकिन इस बारे में शायद लोग इग्नोरेंस अभी भी काफी ज्यादा है. अगेन बैक टू योर जर्नी एज द फाइनलिस्ट ऑफ मिसेस इंडिया. तो उसके बारे में कुछ और बताइए कि कंपटीशन कहाँ हो रहा है, कब हो रहा है, आपने कैसे ऑडिशंस के लिए अप्लाई किया, तो क्या प्रोसेस थी इसकी पूरी?
So what happened was, as I mentioned, I was randomly, I just Googled Mrs. India contest, and I saw many pageant platforms. Something that really caught my eye was Mrs. India Queen of Substance, because as I mentioned, they have a philanthropic partner, and they work with underprivileged children, and they give a platform for these women who are married. And I just went through their rounds, and I was like very impressed with the way they were like doing this whole thing, and people from different spheres. I was looking at their previous finalists as well, and I saw there were so many doctors, there were so many engineers who were part of the finalists. It was like, I really found that very I was amused. I really wanted to apply for it. So initially to photograph, I applied with the photograph, and then they approved it. They called me back, and then they scheduled a tele audition. And then I went through a 25 minutes interview process with the director. And after 3 or 4 days, I received a letter from them saying, you have been selected as a finalist. You need to come to Delhi for for being a part of this pageant, and it is held in ITC Welcome Hotel in Dwarka from April 16 to April 18th. So I feel very privileged and honored to be in this platform, and to be able to talk to you all, and just share my journey. So
Okay, and you will be coming to India for the pageant only?
yes, I'm exactly here only for those 5 days, I should say.
No, that's yeah, ये होता है कि आप this is you can say passion, or to achieve something, or to at least try something. So
Yeah.
that is what you are doing, and that is absolutely great. So I think इस journey से आपको overall आपको एक कंपटीशन का भी पता चलेगा, एक कंपटीशन की भावना वाली जो फीलिंग होती है ना, वो भी होती है इसके अंदर कि कुछ आप ट्राई भी, आप यूजुअली इतना ट्राई नहीं करोगे. फॉर एग्जांपल आपने कहा आप पहले 3 डेज योगा करते थे, बट अभी आप 5 डेज कर रहे हो क्योंकि वो कंपटीशन की आपके अंदर एक भावना आ जाती है.
I absolutely have to mention Gleam Diva as well. Kyunki agar, if that was not there, I would have been totally lost. I just feel so fortunate to have actually found Preeti ji, and also you, Rajat ji. I just feel, I really feel so privileged and honored, because this industry is new to me. I have no idea of what to expect. Weight loss vagera to kiya, but there's so many things that I need to learn. After every class with Preeti ji, I feel, oh my goodness, dentistry shayad I can do it dobara. Ye to bahut mushkil lag raha hai. So, but I'm so grateful. Preeti ji has that personal touch. As I was talking to her, and I was telling her, if I was there in India, I would have definitely taken in-person classes with her. But she's working so hard with me. I'm so grateful to her and you for giving me all the tips and tricks. It means a lot. Somebody who's totally new. But you know what? I'm very motivated to do this, because it's exactly the same. When I came to United States, this is exactly how I felt. I was so new here, but I got through it. So I'll get through this as well.
Yep. And I will pass your message to Preeti ji. I will pass Dr. Ramya ji's message to Preeti ji.
Yeah, I'm very grateful. I had no idea of what to expect. How you are judged, and this whole thing, this journey is like just so wonderful. I just feel, if anything, it is adding on to my personality. There are so many things that I'm learning. I'm learning how to be on my feet all the time, how I have to look good all the time.
Yes.
So it is just, yeah, she's Preeti ji is a great trainer, so I definitely recommend, just don't go into pageantry if you want to do this just blindly. I think you need to be trained. You need to find good trainers, and who know the industry, inside out, so they can actually coach you really, really well. And I'm just so fortunate to be your client here.
It's very important to have a mentor, a teacher, or a doctor, because we think that it's okay and we can do that, but it's very, very important. And हमेशा अगर हम किसी भी चीज में देखें, इवन मैं ज्यादातर फिटनेस की एग्जांपल देता हूँ, या फिर अगर हम बिजनेस के अंदर भी देखते हैं, इफ यू फाइंड अ गुड मेंटोर इन योर अर्ली करियर इन द ऑर्गेनाइजेशन स्ट्रक्चर, इन द बिजनेस, तो आपको आपकी जर्नी को इजी करने में और उस गोल तक पहुंचने में काफी आसानी हो जाती है, एज कम्पेयर टू आप खुद भी कर सकते हो. ऐसा नहीं कि आप खुद नहीं कर सकते हो, बट गाइडेड in a guided way with a mentor, with a coach, it will be easier in sports as well. If you find the right guru, आप अपनी जर्नी को काफी आसान कर सकते हो. तो वो चीज is very important, not just in the point of view from Gleam Diva. I'm saying in general as well, everywhere in the world. If you want to achieve something and you find a good mentor, good teacher, good guru, you can reach your destination quickly as compared to if you're doing by your own.
Totally, and I totally abide by it, because as somebody completely new here, right, who had no idea what to expect, I think the academy has totally built in so much of confidence in me, and actually given me a lot of support, because otherwise I would have been totally lost. I just feel I just thank my stars the day I felt like calling the academy and talking to Priti. I couldn't even imagine, oh my goodness, going without being unprepared. I think preparation is so important, and it is, even though it is about the journey, it is not about winning or losing or nothing. It is just about being there, giving your best, and if you have to give your best, you need to have somebody who can guide you in a real good way.
Yep, definitely. So I think this is a very, very nice and very, very informative chit chat discussion. So yeah, I think a big thank to you. आपने time निकाला, and it is what time it is right now.
So right now here it is 10:47 p.m.
So yeah, around 11 p.m. हम लोग बात
Thank you
कर
so
रहे
much.
हैं. And no, thank you, Ramya. Thanks for your time. And yeah, have a great rest of your day, night. And yeah, take care.